Alright guys, we are back on the road again and we are heading to Santa Fe, New Mexico. We were going to take the rail, but it was really going to create some problems with getting there and back in enough time for our dogs. My granddaughter's watching us right here, so say hi. Hi, so sweet. Anyway, we're going to do a little shopping and wandering around in the old town of Santa Fe, New Mexico, so stick around. I see you, Kaylee.
Long before the colorful shops and galleries that fill the streets of Santa Fe, it was already making history. Founded in 1610 by Spanish settlers, it's the oldest capital city in the United States and has been a crossroads of cultures and traditions for centuries. Today, that history is woven into nearly everything you see, from distinctive adobe architecture and colorful storefronts to galleries, restaurants, and shops filled with things you won't find anywhere else. There's always something unexpected around the next corner. And that's what draws both locals and visitors to Santa Fe. You never quite know what you're going to discover. Sightseeing is one of those things that just captivate me when I'm in a new place. I like looking at things like the staircase, things that are outside the stores, unique storefronts, just all the aspects that make this culture come together. Every place has its own unique touch, and Santa Fe is no different. We find ourselves immersed in Moon Rabbit toys, surrounded by fascinating and unusual items, guaranteed to capture a kid's attention, regardless of their age. I could have spent at least an hour in here. Stepping into the Plaza, we're surrounded by the energy and character that have made this one of Santa Fe's most recognizable gathering places. People from around the world are drawn here to experience the sights, sounds, and flavors that make a visit to Santa Fe so memorable. Street vendors, galleries, local artisans, restaurants, and unique shops fill the area with plenty to explore, while the historic buildings provide an incredible backdrop. There's something about simply wandering through the Plaza that invites you to slow down, look around, and take it all in. And we're just getting started. As we continue through the Plaza, we take it all in. There is so much to see that captures our attention, the uniqueness of the stores, the items they have on display, from the smells of restaurants around us, to all the sights and aspects. It's amazing. But we can't forget about the history, such as this amazing Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi. It catches our attention immediately. Its striking architecture, beautiful stonework, all the aspects. As we make our way up the stairs, we can't help but notice the beautiful landscaping, from statues, fountains, plants, and uniqueness that went into every detail that lets you say, hey, you're welcome inside of this place. Stepping inside, the sounds of Santa Fe seem to fade away as we enter a space filled with beauty and history. From the detailed artwork and stained glass windows to the ornate decorations and impressive architecture, there's something to capture your attention in every direction. Construction on the cathedral began in 1869, making this a remarkable part of Santa Fe's history. So exciting time, we're going to the bakery. You've been watching my channel for a while, you know that's a big weakness of mine, so let's go check out the bakery. Bakery time. I say bake, you say Ready? Bake.
Re.
Bake.
Re.
Woohoo! Bakery.
Nice Jeep. I didn't bring any ducks with me. They're back in the truck. What a bummer. What a bummer. They even have ducks on the dash. And I didn't bring any ducks. Did I miss it? Oh, I missed it. I walked right by it. My keen senses were there. I was too focused on the Rubicon right here. I didn't bring a duck for it. So just a heads up, my credit card was compromised. We found out last night that somebody used my credit card to buy like $100 of something online and then a Sam's charge in Arizona. So we had to cancel my card. So now I'm with Chantel's card. So we're using it. I'm just curious if I bought one of everything, would that compromise her card? I bet it would. I think I might be making their payroll today. Zero regrets. You're looking like a pig on camera. Oh.
Hey!
Sorry.
Photographer tax.
Photographer tax. Photographer tax right there. Good?
Oh my gosh.
This one is a... Man, my hands are messy.
Cream puff.
Look at that sucker. You gotta unhinge the jaw. Is there a kind, nice way to eat one of these things? It's not so weird. Here we go. It's like a delicious sandwich. Photographer tax.
Is that good?
Maybe one bite? You gotta unhinge your jaw.
That's the best cream puff I've ever had.
Did they have anything labeled gluten-free? It is.
After indulging ourselves with some delicious treats from the French pastry shop and creperie, we continue making our way through the streets of Santa Fe. The sidewalks lead us from one fascinating shop to another, offering its unique collection of treasures that only scream Santa Fe. And then we find ourselves at the Christmas shop, where it's apparently Christmas all year long. From unique Christmas trees and colorful ornaments to nutcrackers and all kinds of festive decor, this place proves you don't need to wait until December to get into the holiday spirit. And if you're anything like us, there's always room for just one more ornament. Just up the street, we discover an outdoor shop called the Rainbow Man, filled with unique handcrafted treasures inspired by the Day of the Dead, along with artwork and decor that captures the colorful spirit and unmistakable character of the American Southwest. It's another Santa Fe stop where you're never quite sure what you'll find next. Looking over the map, we quickly realize you can spend days exploring Santa Fe, but we only have a couple more hours. We continue beneath the covered sidewalk around the plaza, where artisans display beautiful examples of Southwest craftsmanship, from silver and turquoise jewelry to miniature Kachina dolls, pottery, and unique items that are sure to capture your time here in Santa Fe. Standing in the middle of the plaza and looking around, it's obvious we should have scheduled more time on this day trip. Just a little further up the plaza, the experience continues to baffle me as I find myself in this two-story indoor alcove with glass ceilings and upscale shops that seem to break the look and feel of what we've experienced up to this point. Wow, if only I brought a moving trailer, we could redecorate our entire house. Wouldn't that be something? If you're looking for that unique taste of the Southwest, this shop is sure to satisfy your taste buds. From delicious bakery items and homemade preserves to salsas, spices, and unique kitchen finds, there's plenty here to inspire the inner chef and tantalize even the pickiest palate. We take in just one more shop, picking up some beef jerky for our car ride back to Albuquerque. This wasn't our first time in Santa Fe. We were through this area several years ago, where we stayed overnight on one of our amazing Valentine's mystery trips. You can check it out by clicking the card in the top right corner of this video. Even though this wasn't our first time in Santa Fe, we look forward to coming back again in the future.
Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed our day here in Santa Fe, New Mexico as we wander around through Albuquerque and the surrounding areas. If you're not already part of my channel, I would hope that you would consider subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. I drop new content every Saturday at 6 p.m. Central Time, and we've got more to explore here in New Mexico over the next few days. So until next time, happy travels.
If you enjoy epic road trips, unforgettable vacation destinations, hidden gems, and those quirky roadside attractions, we'd love to have you along for the journey. So be sure to join us next week as our New Mexico adventure continues. We'll take you along to explore Uptown in Albuquerque, where the stores and shopping take on a modern approach, with the area hosting a variety of well-known stores such as Lulimon, Williams-Sonoma, Pottery Barn, Apple, and North Face, along with a variety of restaurants. We hope you'll come along for the journey. Until next time, happy travels.